Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make dried fruit biscotti. So let's start. So we need large mixing bowl and wooden spoon, half cup of soft butter, half cup of sugar. We are going to mix it to combine sugar and butter. We have 2 eggs. We will add 1 egg first and we are going to mix it. You can also use electric beater. We will add our second egg. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And at this time you can preheat your oven at 350 degrees. We have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder we are going to add in our flour, and pinch of salt. And we are going to mix this. Set aside. You can add zest of lemon and orange. Now you can add your dry ingredients and we are going to fold it. Now we are going to add 1 cup of mixed dry fruit. So I have apricot and raisins. You can add cranberries, whatever you want. And half cup of chopped nuts. Now we need baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cut your batter in half and spread 1/2 on one side and second half on other side. Dip your spatula in dry flour and then spread it vertically. Your batter will be very sticky, that's why we keep dipping our spatula in flour. Try to keep it smooth and even. This is ready to go into our oven now for 25 minutes. This is out of the oven now. We have to let it cool down for 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Now we have to cut it 1/2 inch thick diagonally. And we are going to transfer it back on the pan. Now we have to bake it for another 15 to 17 minutes and flip it after 8 minutes of baking. They are baked now. Now we have to let them cool down completely. The biscottis are perfect like this and are ready. However, I will be doing an extra step just for the appearance. We will melt 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips in the microwave for a few minutes just until it is melted together. So we will dip one end of the biscotti in the chocolate, then dip the same end into the chopped nuts and let it set on a parchment paper, then serve. And this is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!